Okay, so this is Tuesday the 2nd. They did it Saturday morning, so this is Sunday, Monday, 3 days. So when my neighbor came over, we noticed new cracks. So, and then after it rained, you really can see them because it's wicking up, sorry, through the concrete. So these are new cracks that I did not have before AFS came out here and did whatever they did. This, you could tell, is cracking. Going to be a crack there too at that Y. Kitty, hush. This has managed to be okay, which, thought was going to be the worst. But can you see that crack now? That's come. So I think there's 10 that I've counted. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 4, I believe. And then, I know, this is my ugliness that I have. You could tell how this is now bowed. The whole thing is not even flat. You will trip over it if you don't pay attention because it's bumped up. Was not like that before. This is the one that the thing blew up when they filled in that hole, made a big boom because it popped up and caused that crack immediately. Oops, Tootsie's choking. Let's see, I know, I should have marked it. Then there's this one coming. Can you see where it's wet? There's a crack forming here that was not there. Freaking cats are driving me nuts today. You can see right there. That's starting. That's going to be another crack that was not there. This looks like it might. Can you see that? I think that's going to be one because you could see, Bear, please get out of my way. Don't paw me. Because you could see where the line is coming. Oh, Lord have mercy. Then there's this one that was not there. That is now there. This ugliness that they left behind on top of it. Then there's this. You can see where this new crack is coming, and it's going to travel down there next because you can see there's a new intersection. Then, and all these holes are where they had drilled their holes at. Then this has gotten twice, well, actually huge because it was barely a hairline thing, and after they filled it up, put their crap underneath there, it's not focusing, it caused that crack to get wider. This is a new crack. Like I said, then there's this that was barely a faint sign, and now if you look at it, you could see that it's dropping. The guy did not know what he was doing, should not have been here, and now look at this. I have this one on top of it. Let me see if I can get it to focus. In the corner. So, God, Bear, move. And it looks, I can't tell because there is dirt there, but it does look like, can you see that? It looks like that is going to be a new crack that has, can you see? See where it's traveling there and there? That will surely show its ugly self. And like I said, you could see, you can watch this and see where that crack is starting. That's going to be another one. You could see it. You could see the faintness underneath. They ruined my patio. Honest to God, ruined it. And then look at this. Can you see that? This line all the way to here. That was not there either. I mean, they made more cracks than what I had originally, and have not heard back from anybody today. And I'm going to have to call another foundation place and get them to come out here and look at it. Because you see this? Can you see that? How this is traveling? Well, if the cat will get out the way. How that is traveling? That is a whole new crack on this section now that was not there at all. So it goes across the whole thing. I just don't understand. I mean, you should not send people out that are not experienced, that do not know what they're doing. And then look at this. You can see this one. This is a new crack that's starting. That's going all the way back there. There's that other one that, I showed you from that side, but you can see it here, but you can see where it's kind of traveling all right there. Oh my God. You too, stop it. I mean, y'all be nice. This is not the time. So yeah, I mean, and if you look at here, I don't know, I think this is going to end up being something that cracked underneath that is working its way up. This is where he had the big blowout there on this whole section that, did a boom. And you can stand here and just look and see how uneven it still is. I mean, nothing is flush or even. That's what they said, oh, all this down here, oh no, we'll have no problem, no problem. We'll get it, it'll be like you didn't even see it, it'll be, even and close to each other. No, not one bit. And the only thing that they said that they could not do was that very, very end. They couldn't guarantee, which I was okay with that one, because it was, the worst. Well, now it's not, because everything else that's been done is worse. I mean, and look at this one. Hush, kitty. Lord, little kitty, move. Can you see that crack coming? That was not there. That is on the part of the one that went boom. You can see here's the boom. And there's that crack traveling there, which is by I think the septic drainage. But that's going to be another huge spot. But yeah, I mean, oh my God, just a nightmare experience. And oh my God, I just don't know. I mean, just unbelievable the damage that they made in 2 hours. So anyway, I had to film it to show, but I mean, like I said, even my neighbor come up and said, that is the worst repair job I have ever seen. And all that wet that you see is water that has obviously, since they sprayed foam in there, it can't drain, so it's backing up under the foundation is what I'm thinking. I mean, I'm not an expert, but It's never been wet like that along that crack like it is now, and that's exactly what it's doing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to call somebody else up here and get them to look at it and tell me, and then gotta see what the heck. I mean, I just don't have another legal battle in me because I'm still doing my other that's been a joke and a half. And I'm just looking, but I don't see anything else over here. But yeah, very, 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 very disappointed. It's really bad. Really, really, really bad. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, well, I'll let you know what happens. So, don't trust nobody. I mean, oh my God, people lie. I mean, just, oh my God, unbelievable. Okay, well, I'm signing off. It's thundering. It's about to rain again. But yeah, can you see the clouds and the smoke coming in? But yeah, it's supposed to rain again tonight. And then supposedly tomorrow afternoon. But we shall see. You know, the weatherman lies too. Because he's a man. I know, I'm sorry. Any of you good guys out there. But yeah. Minnie and Tootsie said, it's thundering. I know before long, they'll be back underneath their rain tree, which is right there. But they heard, when they heard me come in, they ran down because I fed them. So, all right, well, I will see y'all later. I'll leave you back with Bear's back end and this patio. Let me back up all the way so you can, see all the wet spots and the craziness that has happened. All right, well, I'll see you guys. Oh, wait, Kitty's coming back. No, I have not burned that pile yet, and I have not put that thing together, which now the box is soaking wet, but I've been busy doing other stuff. But I mean, the guy that did my grass that we did is supposed to come. He's going to get the grill, so yay. And then I just got to put that together so I can get all the stuff on that shelf inside of it and shut the door so you don't see it. And then, I'll eventually be done with all the wood over there. And then all these boxes are solar lights and some other stuff for the chicken condo. Anyway, so I will see y'all later. Wait, oops, sorry. Hey, kitty. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. I know Bear says don't talk to her in my talk. Anyway. Say hey, Bear. Hey, meow, meow. Meow. I know, meow. I know. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.